everyone, it's Shari from the Creative Memories home office. Today we're going to talk about albums. Specifically, so you've come to our site or you've heard about Creative Memories and you want to make an album. Well, when you go there, there's a lot to choose from. So today I'm going to share with you the different platforms we have so that you can make the best choice for creating your own memories. So let's start with our most popular option, which is our 12 by 12 album covers. They're book cloth. They're made here in St. Cloud, Minnesota by our team. And when you get it, you'll notice that there's no pages inside. This allows, the strap and cover holders allow you to expand your album. We recommend 3 refill pages max per album. So let's take a look at what options you have for refill pages. The colors that you have are white, spargo, natural, and black. So you can choose your blank page color, and once you do that, then you can embellish and create your page with our whole line assortment of tools, paper, embellishments that you want. And the most important thing is that with every refill pack, you get page protectors. And some people have never heard of these. What it is they slide right over and they protect all of those memories that you've made and that hard work that it's taken you to create that page from spills and sticky peanut butter fingers and even the normal everyday wear and tear. And another option for pages that we have are pocket pages. So we also have multiple sizes of pocket pages. So what you see here is an 8.5 by 11. This one's good for diplomas, children's artwork, newspaper clippings, some of those odd size memorabilia that you might keep. Then you're gonna want to add in 8.5 by 11 pocket page. We also have 12 by 12 top loading pages. So what this is good for is those people that either if you want to scrapbook on a 12 by 12 sheet of paper and then slide that in, or if you're a digital user and you get a 12 by 12 print, you can have a whole album full of 12 by 12 prints using the top loading pocket page. Or if you're like me and you have a lot of photos with 3 kids, I go the slide in route because it's fast and it's quick. And so you take your photos and you can slide them in. And with our mats that we have, they have journaling spots in them. So what I like to do is add a little journaling as I fill in my page. So all of these assortments of different refills fit within our 12 by 12 album covers. So now, if you're somebody who wants it done even quicker, or maybe you don't think that you're creative, even though you are, or you have a lot of photos, or you don't have a lot of time, our Fast2Fab platform would be ideal for you. So what it is, again, it's our 12 by 12 book cloth cover, but it comes with the pages already assembled, and as you can see, they're pre-designed. So that means all you need is a tape runner and a pen and your photos, and voila, you can create your pages in an instant. So in this example, I added a little journaling, I had a couple photos with an embellishment, and it looks like it took me more than the 30 seconds that it actually did. And again, every time that you buy a Fast2Fab, it comes with page protectors as well. And last but not least, we also have a few albums that are in different sizes and have a leather-like cover. This is the 11 by 14 pocket album. Again, it's a slide in. It can hold up to 150 photos. So this is a quick way if you've got a lot of photos or some extra photos that you've scrapbooked and you have some extras, this is a great place to store those. Then we have the 13 by 9. This one I love for coffee table. So it's a smaller size and it fits great and looks great on your coffee table. And again, it's a slide-in album. And last but definitely not least is the mini 2 by 3 album. This one is great for school photos, or what I like to use it for is my gift cards and my business cards. So I tuck it in my purse and it's with me wherever I go. And the best part is that all of the albums that I've shown you today come in a variety of colors. Happy album making, everybody.